Say hi, Casey. Where's Casey? Huh? Where's Casey at? What? Aww. Where's Casey? Is Casey home? Where's Casey? Where's Casey? Huh? Where's Casey? Huh? Where is he? You're looking at the door going, where is he? Where is he? Aww. Where's Casey? Say, I love you, Casey. Say, I love you and I miss you. Can you blow him a kiss? Huh? Say hi, Casey. He's a depressed doggy because his boy isn't home.
Oh, God.